Hey guys, welcome back to Ripper Off Farmer. Today we're going to be replacing the back sprocket and putting on a new chain on this 97 Yz80. We're going to first start by taking off the bolts and taking off the rear tire. We'll bring you guys back once I'm done with that. It's just about out now. Just takes a little bit of wiggling and pulling and hammering. And she is out. So with this dirt bike, the other dirt bike tire, we get out of the way. But if you're looking for this for reference, just make sure your bearings are in good working order. Mine are pretty good. They were greased before I put them back in. But as you can see, pretty greasy, pretty dirty, but make sure to clean that up once you're done with the project. For this specific repair, I'm going to be using a pair of metric Allen wrenches to get the sprocket off. This has a 12mm bolt on the other side and an 8mm metric Allen head on top. So just remember that if you're doing this specific model. You may have to take off the brake caliper like I just did, because you have to get to the back bolts and the brake caliper's in the way. So for this time, it's a 6mm Allen bolt. To get this sprocket off, I used a pipe. This is just a bent old riser pipe. And your 8mm Allen wrench and the impact. Stuck it through there, cranked on all of them, comes right off, just like that. This sprocket's kind of alligator toothy. That's why I'm putting on a brand new rental sprocket. Remember to get your 2 diagonal bolts on first so it'll center itself perfect, and then I'll get all these bolts on and I'll show you guys the finished product. I've got it all put back together. But when you're installing your master link, make sure to have your clip facing this way, so when it's coming around and something comes here when you're moving, doesn't fling it off if it's this way. I don't know about you guys, but the finished product's pretty good. Copper looks nice. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something.